Hey guys, just wanted to show you this combo smoke detector slash carbon monoxide detector. So awesome to have in your home. Obviously, we all need them, have to have them in our home. This one just a little bit better, has actual voice alerts that'll help you know when you have something. So this, you hardwire this into your other where you had your previous carbon monoxide smoke detector. But let's check it out. Let's see what we're dealing with here. So fresh out of the box. Hey, it comes with batteries. Love that. All right, all the instructions. Your hardwiring kit, depending on what type you have, obviously nicely wrapped. Has the base plate on there so you can screw it in perfectly into your wall to allow this to be able to connect into it. But before we do that, we're going to get the batteries in. All right, now I just want to test it so you can see what it sounds like. Works!
Warning, carbon monoxide. Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
All right, well, there you go, guys. Works, talks to you, lets you know that you have a warning, and obviously has an ear-piercing alarm you will not miss. So there you go, guys. If you're looking for something like this, I'd get it.